Yo, what's up with y'all, man? Back with a video, and I got y'all with I pulled wemby in my weekly rewards. I wasn't recording, I wasn't open packs. I quick open my pack, so it's not like a little pack open. I just recorded it. Make sure I recorded it for y'all. I get it to y'all, and I have a reaction because I wasn't expecting it. I just got from work, and I just wanted to open my packs because I was at work while my packs was, just sitting there. So I came back. That's what I got, but. Y'all gonna see my reaction when I get. I might throw the other stuff in there too, but I got the badges and that. Just if y'all want to see that too at the end of the video.
Oh shit! I think I can tell my Yao Ming. There's no way I just pulled him. I already got him. I heard he's pretty good. I drink my GoPro. There's no way I just pulled him. Oh my god. He has 97 defense. I mean, y'all looks pretty good. What's his speed at? 5 speed. Probably his vertical. There's no way. Should I sell Yao? Yeah, I have to because he's unsellable. And they're both centers. Oh my gosh. I just pulled Yao. I'm probably gonna put a legend badge on him. Another legend badge on him and sell him. Cause there's fuck, and he can't play power forward. Yeah. Let's see who we got here. You know what I just picked that. Coach Pat. Like this man, he just got fired too. One pick one? That's so trash, bro. It's a good one. Take one out of the Let's see. Let's rise up. Rise up. Diamond. Pick one is killing me though, bro. Pick one is killing me. What I don't have challenger. I don't think these even worth any. Like your cards are coming with a lot of stuff in Hall of Fame. Besides a 6'1" point guard, probably. Like it's not gonna come with. It's not gonna come with Paint Patrol. That's why I pick Paint Patroller a lot. Like that's the one card if I see it. I mean, one badge that I see it. Like grab like one minute range, like your card's gonna come with gold in his range at least. You know what I mean? That was just like picking guard stuff, like something the guard would have. Probably pick up. I'll pass. Hopefully I get Brick Wall Hall of Fame for my new wemby. I have to look this. I'm not even gonna look at nothing else. Mm, Dimer. Do centers come with Dimer? I think they do. I'm probably gonna rebound chaser. Hopefully I get Brick Wall. Can I get it? Nah, I ain't get it. What don't I have? I got Prick Dodger. Mm, mm, I got Prick Dodger. I think I'm gonna get Diamond for a second. Here's my invincible packs. Oh, what is? I think that's just a diamond. What's up? So we'll do Wesley. Okay, we have two more. I might quick open that deluxe. I don't think I'll get anything out of that. No cake. I'm doing that right down. I probably can. Let's see what Yeah, I was like, I'm pretty sure I pulled him. Pink diamond. That ain't bad. I'll take a pink diamond. I'll take a pink diamond. I'll definitely take a pink diamond. Joe Ingles. I'm a big fan of Joe Ingles, actually. I think this should I use? Got this little deluxe packs. I'm not really expecting that. Right. Beginning of the game pack. I'm not really expecting none of these. At least a diamond would be cool. That's my luck. I doubt it though. Oh, it's 1 and 2. 20 pulls, 2 pulls today. I feel lucky, man. Get the best of everything. Cool bag. Dang, you guys ain't bad for the badges. Free one of these boxes is not bad at all. I don't think it's worth it. I'm gonna try to swap everybody. Yeah, that was my box.